Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Libras. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies, and I'll be picking few cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck and one card from the Angel Guidance deck, guys. So we'll start the reading. We'll pick the cards now. So these are for your general energies, guys. These cards, we'll be picking two cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck, one card for your career situation, guys, and one card for your relationship. So this is for your career situation, and this card is for your relationship, guys, and we'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle deck. So we'll open the cards now, guys, Libras. So for your daily energies, Libras, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Five of Pentacles, Six of Swords in reverse. Libras, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, maybe today you are in a position like some kind of you are feeling some kind of loss or trouble, some kind of stress, guys. Some kind of stress is there, maybe work related, or maybe for some of you all, you may be suffering from some minor illness. That may also be the reason for the stress, and you feel that things are not going as expected, maybe in your work situation, some losses or some project suspensions of some projects that may be troubling you today, guys. And for some of you all, I see here that you may be seeing this person, and they may be coming towards you with a proposal. So they just want to say it out loud that they love you. They want to just declare their love for you. That is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, maybe for some of you, some people who have wronged you, they may come with an open apology. They may come with an apology, guys. They may come and explain to you what happened and why they behaved in such a way, and they may be coming to patch up things with you. Maybe this may be this person you would have had some arguments, and they are here maybe to patch up things, and they may be declaring their love for you at that moment. So that is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may experience some illness, something very minor. That is also what I see here, but nothing to worry, I suppose, here, guys. And this person, though they are coming with declaration of love, you may not trust them altogether. You may have some suspicion on them, doubts on them. What is the reason for them to come so suddenly with a proposal? So you are in doubt about this person. So that is also the energy here with these cards, guys. Let us see what are these cards, the oracle's guidance. So this is for your work situation, guys. Breathe. So with this card, the oracle's guidance for you all, guys, maybe in your work situation, you need to be more patient, guys. So things are progressing towards your goals in a positive way. So all that you have worked for till now, your dreams are going to get that complete happy results. So whatever goals you are working towards, so you should not hurry things now. It is time for you to go slow, and you are making great progress, but you need to be really slow. Accept that rhythm however the situation is going. You have to relax and be guided by your intuition in the situation, guys, and uh, wait for things to manifest in its own speed. You should not uh, impatiently try to quicken things. So it is time for you to wait and go slowly in your work situation, so things will come towards you at the right time. Maybe for some of you all, you can take up meditation, guys. You can take up meditation to have that relaxation. Take a deep breath and relax yourself and wait for happy things to come towards you. So uh, slow and steady wins the race all the time, guys. So you need to be that in your work situation today. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Co-create. With this card, Libras, the energy is that, guys, sometimes in life you will find that intuition guiding us in a particular way. We feel that inspiration to take up some actions, to go with a particular choice or go in a particular way. So when you have that intuition, when you are guided by it, you need to go for that choice, and when you do that, you will create miracles in your life, guys. So in your work situation, whatever you apply to whatever work you are doing, when you feel that intuitive guidance, your ideas are channeled from the higher power that is in you. So when you work with that higher power, the potential you work with is so much greater, and you will enjoy success in whatever you do. So even in this relationship with this person, when your connection is based on your heart, in this relationship, when you share that deep bond and when you feel that inspiration being with this person, and when that relationship touches your heart, when that connection touches your heart, so you will feel that you are getting great ideas in your life. So when that inspiration and intuition is there in this connection, you have to be open for that, accept it happily. So when that happens, you will be able to enjoy that beauty of that relationship, and it may help you to deepen this relationship, and you may share a beautiful bond with this person when you have that open heart communication with this person. So that intuition, whatever you feel with this person, your heart should be open to that. That is what the oracle's guidance, guys. So when you feel that intuition in your relationship, you will take this relationship to the next level. You will have that deep bond and connection with this person, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance for your relationship, guys. Let us see what is the angel card for you all today. It's an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means the angels are there guiding us in our day, guys. So we should be thankful for that. So this angel's guidance is that in any situation, in order to know what is our life's purpose, we need to have that clarity of thought. So whatever actions we need to take, we have to take it with that clear thought. So we should not do anything in hurry. We should think deeply about what we need, what are our choices, and what are our goals, and then we should proceed with that action. And maybe for some of you all, you may feel a creative guidance in your work, guys. towards something creative. Maybe you may be interested in some form of art or dancing, singing, whatever it is. So you may take up those activities where you find you need to go for some hobbies maybe. And maybe for some of you all, you may be having a child, or your person may be having a child, or you're planning to start a family. So the angels guidance is also for that. So you need to have that strength and joy in your heart to enjoy the gifts and beauty that is right there in your life, guys, with you Libras. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.